Attempting to make a sugar bomb. First, roll a 1-inch wide piece of paper once, then hot glue it. Then continue to roll, then hot glue it again. Now roll up a ball of paper and push it a centimeter down. Then fill the space with hot glue and place on a firm surface to cool. Place a ceramic bowl on a gram scale and add 4 grams of powdered sugar and then 4 grams of potassium nitrate. Then, using a funnel, put the powder inside the tube. Now take fuse and place it inside the tube, then fill the rest with hot glue. It failed.
Bonus experiment.